The main body parts in Haitian Creole are tête, cheve, Sousi, nez, Zòrèy, Figi, Bouch, Koud, Zepòl, Lestomak, Lonbrit, Vant, bras, Koud, avant-bras, Ponyèt, main, dos, Dèyè, Kuis, Jenou, Janm, pied, Zòtèy. Now the word Lestomak is particularly interesting because it actually means chest in Haitian Creole, whereas the word Vant actually means belly. Alright, consider this example.
Tande Junior, pa kite Vant bat l'estomac ou, tande?
So, as you can clearly see, the word Lestomak means chest. And in other videos, we are going to go into more details about specific body portions in Haitian Creole.
For more videos and lessons, please subscribe and visit howtocreole.com.